friends, welcome to another video of Hybrid Academy. Today we are going to unbox a product which I recently brought from Amazon. Now this is actually a digital alarm clock with an automatic sensor. Let me first open this and then I will tell you about this product further. Packing as usual from Amazon is a brown box and the product within this brown box. So as you can see, it says optically controlled liquid crystal device alarm clock. Liquid crystal device means LCD. So this is basically an alarm clock which has an LCD. So let's see what's all in this box. This is our product, that's the LCD watch or the clock, and we also have a documentation or a manual. Seems to be in Chinese. Let me check. Oh, it has it in English also. So this is basically the instruction manual, which is available in English and probably Chinese. I'm not sure, Chinese or Japanese or Korean, but yes, we do have it in English. So I'll just share this later. This is the box and nothing else. Now let's see the product. Oh wow, this is very soft, nice finish. This has a lot of controls. So left hand side it says alarm, which we can off and on. Then this has minute and date, this has hour and month, and this is year in terms of 12 or 24. So it seems like these are all these settings, and through these buttons we can control or we can set the time. Then this is the sensor button with off and on. So with this we can turn on and off the sensor. Now what this sensor does is that based on the light which goes in the sensor, it sets the screen light. So for example, if the room is well lit like it is right now, so you will not get the backlight of the screen, but once there is dark in the room, this light will gradually glow and screen will turn white. So that's it, and this works with the battery. So now you can see that this is the battery compartment, and this requires 3 AAA batteries. So let me just check if I have 3 AAA batteries available with me. So I'm using digitalclock AAA4. So this is a AAA battery I'm using. Okay, so this is turned on. Now we will have to set up the time. And if you see, if I press this button, this light glows. So this is the pattern. Now this light is entirely depends on the room light. So if you are having like bright light, this will automatically turn off based on the sensor. It's currently off. If I turn this on and the room light is less, so this will automatically glow. Let me just try to turn off the lights. So now you can see that this backlit is glowing and still we can see the time. So accordingly, based on the light available in the room, this backlight works. Now you see the backlight is gone. So that's the way the sensor works. Let me just put this cover back. Now the alarm is currently off. If I want to turn it on, I can do it like this. Set on the other side is available. We can currently it is in lock position. Then I can set the time, then I can set the date and set the alarm. So let me set the time first. So to set the time, there is a button on this side. Now through this we can either lock it. If I lock it, everything will be seized and it will be fixed. Now if I bring it down one step, this is to set the time. So let's set the time first. So if you see right now, the hour and the minute is blinking. So the first button which says minute, and the second button says hour. So using these two buttons I can actually set the time. So let me just try to change the hour first. Right now by my watch it's 9 AM. And it is 53 minutes. So using the mid-end button I will change the minutes. Now I don't have to press it 53 times to reach 53. I can just press it and hold it and it will automatically start increasing. And let me just take it to 53. 53. Now the time is done. Let me just set the date. So if you look at this, the month is 1 and the date is 25. So let me just change this to today's date. And to set the date, I will again have to put this a bit down to set the date. Now this is date set. Now you see the month and the date is also blinking. And to change the month, we again will use the same button which is for hour, but this time this will change the month. See. So December month, and the first button is to change the date. So I'll change the date. Today it is 5th. Now the date is also set to 5th and the month is 12th. Now apart from this, I can change the alarm time, which is visible right now. It's 6 AM. Now let me just try to set it as per the current time. Now to set the alarm, I will again have to slide this to the most bottom thing. So this is now up to alarm set. And now if you look, the alarm part is blinking. Now again, using the buttons at the back, I can change the hour and the minute. So right now it shows 9:55 AM. Let me just change this to 9:56 or 57. So this is the hour button. It's 9 and this should be changed to 56. So I'm changing it using the minute button. To 56. Done. Now to turn on the alarm, there is another button on the left hand side. This should be on and this should be on set. This confirms that the alarm is on and it is on set. So now let's wait. Oh, I think we passed the time. Let me just change the alarm to 57 now. Again, alarm set. This is to change the minute and this is to change the hour. So we will change the minute to 57 and we will quickly set it. Now let's see if it goes at 57. I'm keeping the clock and I'm waiting for the time to be changed to 57. Also you can see there is a zzz button at the bottom and the clock on the top which shows that the alarm is on. This clock also shows you the current temperature in the room. So right now the temperature is 24.5 degrees Celsius. So this also shows the temperature. So overall it seems to be a good thing. Oh, the alarm started. So initially it gives a single beep like it is giving right now. Now it has gone to a double beep. Stop this, there's a snooze button on the top. So if I press this button once, this will actually not turn off the alarm, but it snooze for approximately 5 minutes. And if you want to completely turn this off, otherwise it will again go after 5 minutes. If you want to completely turn this off, then we'll have to use the button at the back which says alarm on and off. So we'll have to shift this to off. Now this alarm is completely off. And you can see there's no zzz button at the bottom and there's no alarm indication on the top. So overall it's a decent product. It's a very good thing, and the best part is that it's pretty light, pretty cool. It gives you an alarm, it shows the temperature, and it's very easily visible even if it is kept on the side of room. Quite big display. So I give this like 5 out of 5 as per the rating, and I'm sharing the link in the description box. If you want to buy this, you can always click on that link and you can buy this product. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.